Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be putting the Otterbox Defender XT on my iPhone 15 Pro Max. This is the e-commerce packaging because I ordered this on Amazon, so that's why it's in this cardboard style box right here. So we're going to open this up and take a look at it. Alright, so the Defender XT, I don't know about the Defender because I haven't ordered one of those in a while, but these no longer come with a holster in the box. However, they do include a coupon code for you to go on their website and get the free holster if you wish. I'm not sure if that's something that's limited to the XT. Normally the Defender comes packaged with it, but like I said, these do not, but you can get them for free by visiting the Otterbox website and using that coupon code. And I believe last time I did it, I didn't even have to pay shipping, so it's literally free to do that. So this one here is pretty easy to put on. Just going to separate the edges here, maybe. Alright, so the ring pops out of here, and then the back of the case. And then you just insert this or install this on the phone. And swoop. Try that again. Gotta slide it in as one. Alright. Actually, you should be able to just press it in. Open the port cover. And you got to get the rubber over the power button right there. There we go. Same with the volume. They do take a little bit more pressure there. But as you can see, there we go. For the most part, it is on. There's one little piece here on the bottom. There we go. Alright. So there we go. It is on. And that's what it looks like. And this is MagSafe compatible. I don't have actually have my wallet right here. So it is MagSafe compatible, which the regular Defender is not. So very nice. And other than that, it's just your standard Otterbox case. Everybody loves to see these videos and see what these look like and the how-to on putting them on, because a lot of people find it difficult. And the instructions they include don't always help everybody out there, just the little pictures. So I always like to make these and show installing them best I can. Like I said, this one's pretty easy to do because it is just a ring around the edge. And I am using the excuse me, the Whitestone Dome screen protector on this, and that is having no issues whatsoever. So it is screen protector friendly as long as you have a screen protector that's not super big, but the Whitestone Dome one does leave a little bit of a gap on the edge for your cases and such to go on, so it does fit very nicely. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.